Hey guys, so back before Mobile World Congress, XJ published an article claiming that they have the Android 8.1 firmware files for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And they also said with Android 8.1, the Redmi Note 5 Pro will get Project Treble support. And guess what? They were right. At MWC there was a Xiaomi booth where they were showcasing a few Redmi Note 5 Pro. All of them was running Android 7.1.1 Nougat, but there was a unique Redmi Note 5 Pro which was actually running the official Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9. My friend took a very small video just to make me believe that it is actually running the Android 8.1 Oreo. Even I was shocked to see that. I told him to make a full video. Again he went there and guys, the phone was gone. But yeah, luckily we got a footage which is enough to prove that the Redmi Note 5 Pro was actually running the official Android 8.1, and he also took some clear images. So as you can see, it runs on MIUI 9 Global Beta 8.1.31, and I think it is a closed beta and will be available for public pretty soon. Yeah, moving on, we have December 2017 security patch, which is of course not the latest. Last thing I noticed is that it was having iPhone 10 like gestures, which is really something great. And you guys know Xiaomi, there won't be any visual changes with the Android Oreo, all credits to their MIUI skin. And additionally, the Android 8.1 will bring treble support to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. That means whenever Android 9.0 comes out, you will be able to flash the generic system images without waiting for Xiaomi. See if I get the Android 8.1 firmware files for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, or if I get any new information, I will be the first to notify you right here. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.